So I'm Llio James, I'm a hand weaver and textile designer. I work from my studio here in Sprott. It's been the biggest project that I've undertaken to date, and to think that my cushions are going to be seen in the centre is just a real privilege, really. So these are the maritime signalling flags that I've taken initial inspiration for the woven cushions, WMC, CMC and CF. The centre is based in Cardiff Bay, so I wanted to use that link between the nautical element and bring it inside to the centre, really. I tend to start off with doing these yarn wraps, and it's just a matter of looking at colour proportions and how colour sits next to each other. These are kind of early ones that I rejected. I just thought that the designs were a bit too obvious, so these are the final designs then that we took on into production. A wedyn, y broses yw bod y siafft yma'n cael ei codi, a wedyn dwi'n gallu gosod y wennol trwy yr ystod, ac yn araf bach mae'r defnydd yn cael ei wehyddu. Mae yna elfennau sydd yn gysylltiedig efo carthenni traddodiadol, dyn ni wedi gweld yn cartrefi. Felly pan bydd y cyhoedd yn dod mewn i'r ganolfan, bydd nhw'n teimlo'r cynestrwydd yna, a bydd nhw'n gweld elfennau o'r nostalgia yn y gwaith. So we've got the 4 final designs. The face of the cushion and the back of the cushion have a slightly different design. Yn amlwg mae'n bleser ac yn anrhydedd gallu dylunio y textiliau yma ar gyfer y ganolfan, gan obeithio bydd pawb yn hoffi'r dyluniadau.